Hey guys, I'm Bright. I'm gonna replace the motor actuator, air distributor door actuator. This guy is Taurus 2015. It's the air distributor. It's stuck in the dash. It doesn't change at all. It's a defrost and blower. So 99% when stuck in the air, and then blend door and an inlet door actuator, it's mostly because the actuator, the internal broken the T and broken the position sensor and something else. So now this one is much tricky, far up and inside. Look at that, is plastic here. It's so much hard. Workshop says we can access the bottom and 2 bolts, and on top upside this side 1 bolt, but it's not possible. But it's possible, so it's much hard. I did it couple of times, so much hard, but this time I removed the whole steering shaft assembly. That's much easier. Okay, let's do that. This is new one. You can see the arrow is here, and then 2 teeth, much bigger and wide space. That is matched this. That's matched the gear. So you're not gonna spin this gear if it's partially twist. It's could broken inside, all different position sensor. So when you install the actuator, it goes inside. You can take out the old one is actuator. Oh, where is it? Yeah, old one is actuator is here. If you took out the actuator, you can find this gear inside, and using this one, you can push it in and then further inside, and then you can twist and then inside the flap, and then match this arrow, and I installed. Okay, I inserted the gear knob right there, and then make sure you're turning the inside heater box flap. It doesn't hard. It's freely moved back and forth. You can feel the hard, and then it's moved not at all. You need to change the whole heater box. So yeah, okay. Now moving the arrow position is downside, much as the same as the new one actuator arrow, and then I installed this one. Oh, so hard. Look at upside here, goes in. Where is it? Oh, it's so hard. It doesn't get in. Probably slightly turn over a little again. This top screw is so hard. Did you see that? It's between air duct and the dash frame. This is so freaking hard. Oh, I got a screw right there. Okay, now it's tighten the screw. You see that? 지금 dash frame, between dash frame is duct. It's spread out, and then using the swivel socket, I can reach the now and the tight. start.